Joe Beermaster here. We have a 3.7 liter Jeep Compass motor. That's a 3.7 Jeep motor. Is that Chrysler motor or Jeep?
It's a Jeep, but when you heat it up, the Chrysler, they always drop the seat from the head. So we got it fixed already from the machine shop. You see, they were all off right here, but we got it all new now.
All right, so explain it. Why did the engine overheat?
Because the radiator was leaking.
The radiator was leaking.
And the customer kept driving, and they overheated, and the seat comes off from the head. Because the aluminum and the metal, when they heat.
All right, so what did they actually have to do to the head?
They put all new seats. All valve, all new seats.
All valves and new seats?
Yes.
So what does a job cost like this if a customer bring it in from a dealer?
$950.
A dealer, what would a dealer charge?
Probably $2 grand.
$2 grand, $1,500. Your local auto shop like Big Joe's Auto Sales on Tarsdale Avenue in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
215-499-9071 would do this probably for about $800 to $900, maybe a little more.
Yeah. Plus the machine work.
All right, and it came out of this Jeep right here. So don't let your vehicle overheat, because you will damage it. That goes for any model. So once you got it all apart, it's always worth to
do the timing chain.
do the timing chain, clean everything up.
New guides, new tensioners, new chain.
Yep.
It's all cleaned up, ready to go.
Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Thanks, Big Joe.
Thumbs up.